Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting up a focused workspace. Install Vscode and the Python extension, then open your project folder. Create a virtual environment, Python mvenv. Venv or conda create nds-env python equals 3, 9, and select that interpreter in the bottom status bar so extensions use the right Python. Once done, add a Vscode/settings. JSON to pin formatting, linting, and notebook behavior. This ensures consistency for notebooks, scripts, and integrated terminals as you move into analysis. Next, add the data science stack. Install Jupyter, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and any GPU libraries you need. Conda users use conda install counterparts. Open the Jupyter extension and either open IPIN files directly or turn Pi files into cells with #% so you can run blocks interactively. Make sure the kernel selector matches your virtualenv or conda-env. That mapping is crucial for reproducing results. Use the integrated terminal to run pip or conda installs without leaving VS Code. Finally, execute and debug your pipelines. Use run cell and debug cell to step through preprocessing and model code. Set breakpoints in scripts to inspect variables. Open the Variable Explorer and Data Viewer to validate shapes and values as you go. When finished, export notebooks to HTML or Pi, save workspace settings into Vscode, and commit. If something breaks, switch the kernel to the correct interpreter, restart the kernel, and reinstall critical packages. That single troubleshooting step resolves most environment mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.